How to enable power saving mode in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable battery saver so that your battery lasts longer. So enabling the power saver or the battery saver is frankly very easy. You can do the same using your control panel and also via your settings. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your settings by tapping onto the setting icon, and then once you will go to the settings, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, simply find the battery option, and within battery you will see it like this. Now from here you have different types of options, and one such option is power saving settings. Now from here in my device you can automatically enter power saving mode, which I have enabled, and it also exits power saving mode as well when the device is charged sufficiently. But in case if you want to enable the power saving mode right now without it actually leaving this particular or reaching this particular limit, what you can do is simply open your control panel from the top, and from there you can simply enable the power saving mode or the battery saver. So once you will enable that, you will notice that your screen refresh rate might get reduced, and also some of the settings will be set to default or get optimized, but you will get a longer battery life. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.